We are happy to welcome you to our YouTube channel. We focus on one of the most powerful CRM platforms in the world, Salesforce. Subscribe to our channel not to miss Salesforce updates, insights, tips, and guidances. In this video, we will start from the very basics. What is Salesforce, and why is Salesforce considered the best CRM system? Can Salesforce help in my case? What features Salesforce can provide to the customers? Let's start. Salesforce is a highly versatile customer relationship management platform that can satisfy a wide range of business requests and needs. Here are some common business requests that Salesforce can address. Lead management. Salesforce can help businesses capture, track, and manage leads efficiently, enabling better lead nurturing and conversion. Contact and account management. It provides a centralized database for managing customer contacts and accounts, facilitating relationship building and communication. Sales opportunity management. Salesforce helps businesses track sales opportunities through various stages of the sales pipeline, improving sales forecasting and revenue generation. Marketing automation. Salesforce Marketing Cloud offers tools for automating marketing campaigns, including email marketing, lead nurturing, and customer segmentation. Customer support and service. Salesforce Service Cloud enables businesses to provide exceptional customer support through case management, knowledge bases, and self-service portals. E-commerce. Salesforce Commerce Cloud allows businesses to create and manage online stores, enhancing their e-commerce capabilities. AI and predictive analytics. Salesforce Einstein offers AI capabilities for predicting customer behavior, optimizing marketing campaigns, and enhancing sales productivity. Healthcare and life sciences. Salesforce Health Cloud and Salesforce for Life Sciences provide industry-specific solutions for patient management, research, and compliance. Financial services. Salesforce Financial Services Cloud caters to the unique needs of financial institutions, including wealth management and insurance. Manufacturing and supply chain. Salesforce Manufacturing Cloud helps manufacturers optimize their operations, demand forecasting, and partner collaboration. According to International Data Corporation (IDC) in May 2022, Salesforce was ranked the #1 CRM provider. IDC data shows that in 2021, Salesforce CRM had 23.8% of the total CRM market share. For comparison, in 2020, they had 19.8%. Salesforce has held the leading position for 9 years in a row. Firstly, Salesforce's popularity can be seen by an ever-growing list of large companies that use it for different business needs. As we mentioned before, Salesforce has a various bunch of products for each field. The platform is used by more than 150,000 large companies. Here are some brands you may recognize: AWS, Puma, Coca-Cola, AMD, Airbus, Cisco, FedEx, Sony, Financial Times, Toyota, Canon, Philips, North Face, American Express, Western Union, KLM, and many other world-famous brands. Let's dive deep into what key features Salesforce offers that make it so widely used and what it offers to us. Speaking about Salesforce as a powerful tool for solving almost any business request, it is a versatile solution that encompasses not just the fundamental cloud service models of software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service, but also goes beyond these boundaries. Within the Salesforce ecosystem, businesses can develop, customize, and deploy applications, access pre-built software applications, and rely on a secure and scalable infrastructure. Here's how they are presented in Salesforce. Software as a service in Salesforce is akin to having an expert sales team working around the clock, allowing businesses to instantly leverage powerful tools like Sales Cloud to manage leads, close deals, and boost revenue without the overhead of software maintenance. Platform as a service in Salesforce is like having a digital playground for innovation, enabling businesses to create custom applications tailored to their unique processes, improving efficiency and gaining a competitive edge in their market. Infrastructure as a service in Salesforce ensures the lights are always on, providing the essential infrastructure for software as a service and platform as a service to run seamlessly. It's like a dependable utility service that guarantees reliability, security, and scalability, allowing businesses to focus on growth and innovation rather than infrastructure management. Let's dive deep and find out the diverse benefits Salesforce offers to businesses across various industries, from boosting sales and enhancing customer relationships to streamlining operations and ensuring compliance. Salesforce's adaptability and customization options make it a valuable tool for businesses seeking to thrive in their respective domains. Retail business. In the fast-paced world of retail, Salesforce can be your strategic ally. By leveraging Salesforce Commerce Cloud, you can create personalized shopping experiences, optimize inventory management, and drive customer loyalty through targeted marketing campaigns, ultimately boosting sales and enhancing customer satisfaction. Financial services firm. For financial services firms, trust and efficiency are paramount. Salesforce's Financial Services Cloud empowers you to build stronger client relationships, streamline advisory services, and ensure compliance, leading to increased client retention and regulatory peace of mind. Technology startup. Innovation is the lifeblood of tech startups, and Salesforce can fuel your growth. With Salesforce Platform as a Service, you gain the tools to develop, customize, and deploy cutting-edge applications, helping you bring your tech solutions to market faster and more cost-effectively. Healthcare provider. In the ever-evolving healthcare landscape, patient-centric care is the goal. Salesforce Health Cloud equips healthcare providers to securely manage patient data, improve care coordination, and enhance patient engagement, ultimately resulting in healthier patients and more efficient healthcare delivery. Manufacturing company. In the competitive world of manufacturing, efficiency is key. Salesforce Manufacturing Cloud helps you optimize production processes, collaborate seamlessly with partners, and gain insights into your supply chain, driving operational efficiency and cost savings. E-commerce business. E-commerce is all about delivering seamless online shopping experiences. Salesforce Marketing Cloud enables you to create targeted marketing campaigns, optimize customer journeys, and increase online sales, ultimately driving revenue and customer loyalty. Salesforce is not limited to the industries described above, but it offers sharpened features for that industry thanks to its cloud features. So let's take a look at them one by one. Salesforce has a bunch of products that are organized into categories, including sales, service, marketing, commerce, communities, and more. Each product is purpose-built to address specific challenges and opportunities, empowering organizations to streamline processes, enhance customer engagement, and drive growth. Let's take a look at each of these cloud features and benefits they provide. Sales Cloud. For Sales Cloud, the main focus is to efficiently manage leads, opportunities, and customer relationships. It also aims to automate sales processes and forecasting while optimizing sales team productivity and performance. The benefits of using Sales Cloud include an increase in lead conversion rates and sales revenue. It shortens sales cycles through automation and provides accurate sales forecasting and valuable insights. Service Cloud. Service Cloud is designed to streamline customer service and support operations, enhance case management, and offer multi-channel support. Its primary goal is to improve customer satisfaction and service efficiency. Using Service Cloud reduces case resolution times, which ultimately enhances customer satisfaction. Additionally, it offers automated support through AI-powered chatbots and provides a comprehensive 360-degree view of customer interactions. Marketing Cloud. Marketing Cloud focuses on creating, automating, and analyzing marketing campaigns. It also personalizes customer journeys and marketing content, all with the aim of optimizing marketing ROI and customer engagement. When using Marketing Cloud, you'll experience improved marketing campaign effectiveness and personalized customer interactions to increase engagement. It also provides data-driven insights for better marketing strategies. Health Cloud. Health Cloud is dedicated to creating a comprehensive view of patient data and interactions, enhancing care coordination, and ensuring regulatory compliance and the security of patient data. The benefits of using Health Cloud include improved patient outcomes through better care coordination, enhanced patient engagement and satisfaction, and streamlined healthcare operations while complying with regulation. Financial Services Cloud. Financial Services Cloud aims to strengthen client relationships through personalized advice, efficiently manage financial planning and regulatory compliance, and provide a 360-degree view of client data. Using Financial Services Cloud increases client retention and loyalty with tailored financial advice. It also streamlines regulatory compliance tasks, reducing risks, and delivers a holistic view of client data for better decision-making. Community Cloud. Community Cloud is all about building online communities for customers, partners, or employees, fostering collaboration, knowledge sharing, and engagement, and enhancing brand loyalty and relationships. The benefits of using Community Cloud include increased customer loyalty through engaged online communities, improved partner collaboration and knowledge sharing, and boosted employee engagement and productivity. Commerce Cloud. Commerce Cloud's primary purpose is to create engaging online shopping experiences, optimize product catalog management and order fulfillment, and boost e-commerce sales and brand loyalty. When using Commerce Cloud, it enhances the customer shopping experience, drives online sales growth through personalized recommendations, and provides seamless order fulfillment and inventory management. CPQ, Configure, Price, Quote. CPQ aims to simplify product configuration, pricing, and quoting processes, automate and optimize sales quoting workflows, and ensure accurate and consistent pricing and quotes. The benefits of using CPQ include increased sales efficiency by reducing manual processes, enhanced quote accuracy, shortened sales cycles by speeding up quote generation, and enabling upsell and cross-sell opportunities leading to increased revenue. Einstein. Einstein's main purpose is to infuse artificial intelligence into various Salesforce products, predict outcomes, recommend actions, and automate tasks, and personalize customer experiences while driving data-driven decision-making. Using Einstein enhances productivity by automating repetitive tasks and drives sales and marketing effectiveness with AI-driven insights. It predicts customer behavior and optimizes engagement, while also improving customer service by automating case routing and responses. As you can see, Salesforce is a powerhouse for businesses across various industries, offering a versatile platform that adapts to their unique needs. Its cloud-based solutions enhance efficiency, customer engagement, and data-driven decision-making. From CPQ to Einstein and Health Cloud, Salesforce's diverse product ecosystem caters to a wide array of business functions. Looking ahead, Salesforce's development is marked by a commitment to innovation. It continues to expand its AI capabilities, with Einstein at the forefront, enabling businesses to harness the power of predictive analytics and automation. Additionally, Salesforce is focusing on sustainability, aiming to achieve net zero greenhouse gas emissions and deliver a positive impact on society. As businesses evolve, Salesforce evolves with them, providing the tools and insights needed for growth and success. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell for more great content. See you next time.